All right, let's get back over to Tracy. Okay, so if you want to get out and enjoy this nice weather, how much time do we have?
You know what? Depending on where you are, I say go for it. If you're going to be in Sacramento, if you're going to be in Auburn, Paradise, parts of the Sierra, go for it. The best chance of showers are going to be for the immediate coastline and for the Northern Valley locations today. After that, we'll turn our attention to tomorrow with more equal opportunities coming in for the latter portion of your day. So what's ahead? Unsettled weather still dominating our forecast. Compliments of a low pressure system off the coastline. That's going to keep us with a threat of off and on showers in the forecast. That began today. It's also in the forecast on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, and even into Saturday. Snow totals still coming in, not that impressive, but just enough to make it a slippery ride up and down the pass level. 1 to 3 inches expected, and weekend showers are in the forecast mostly for Saturday, not so much for Sunday. So if you do have any plans, bear that in mind. Here's a look at today's forecast, and I'm focusing in on Sacramento. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you got 69. That's nice. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 67. 6 o'clock in the evening, your sunset. You will have had sunset. 59 coming in with partly cloudy conditions, and that nice double nickel coming in for 8 o'clock tonight with partly cloudy skies. Now, as we move through the next couple of days, more rain showers are expected to dominate the area, dominate the forecast, come in earnest, and that's going to be late in the day on your Wednesday. So that's going to be a first alert action day for us. We've taken out the mention for a first alert action day for Thursday because now the showers look to be more scattered and not as impressive. Afternoon highs in the upper 60s, and Friday another round of showers are likely as that low pressure system comes ashore. So here it is. This is what we've been watching since last week. It had the potential to be extremely impressive, but as it jogs back to the west and moves down to the south, a lot of the really nice rainfall and snowfall is eluding us. Now, it will eventually move closer to the coastline. That's going to be Friday. We'll have a decent threat of showers in the forecast Friday. Winds will begin to pick up. It's Saturday, still got a few leftover showers, and then by Sunday, that puppy should be out of here, setting us up with a nice high pressure system coming in for the beginning of next week, just in time for our holiday week, and that is wonderful for us. So here's another look at it. Here's your futurecast. This is the low pressure system right here, center of them, making out for you. Here are the rain bands, those outer rain bands that we have. Initially, this low pressure system was tracking a little closer. The center would have been closer like here, for example. That would have pushed this rain band right over the valley. But because it's now moved off to the west, all that nice juicy rainfall has moved out to the west. Now Wednesday, a rotation around this low pressure system is going to push in a weather system, a weather disturbance, a frontal boundary. That will give us a chance of showers Wednesday evening, and you can see predominantly for the southern part of the Sacramento Valley, moving all the way down to Southern California. A better chance of widespread rainfall. Thursday, still scattered activity expected, and then Friday, the low finally starts to move. And those are the showers associated with it. That comes in late Friday, and we still have showers in the forecast Saturday as that low completely moves out. And then here's the high pressure system moving in. That should be Sunday into Monday, bringing us clearing skies and improving conditions. The takeaway, off and on showers remaining in the forecast. As far as how much rainfall we could pick up, not expecting any heavy hitters and no impressive storm totals unless, of course, you get into one of those local downpours. As far as pass level, 1 to 3 inches of snowfall is still likely. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, Wednesday looks to be the day where we could have the best opportunity for some rainfall. Could be heavy at times. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, don't put away the umbrella just yet. Still got a chance for a few showers. And then Sunday, there goes my sunshine, partly cloudy conditions, and a little bit more of the same on Monday. Right now, though, the holiday week looks pretty nice. Back to you, Dom.
All right. Thanks so much.